So this is the continuation of our previous part. Now we need to create the dashboard. See here, this is the dashboard currently I created. In this dashboard you will be seeing, basically dashboard is your summary sheet. You can see it, all the relevant informations or important informations, key performance indicators you will be seeing over here. So you can see that currently these all are my item, and you can see here item description and the available stock you can see here. Then this is, I created the chart using this one, and here you can see the stock summary based on the category you can see, and the chart is also placed. And as per my current status, these three are the fast moving item. First three fast moving items, you can see it. That it depends, you can select 3 or 5, whatever it is. Currently I selected 3 fast moving items over here, and you can see here when I'm clicking on purchase, it will take me to the purchase. Then I click on dashboard, again I can come back and I click sales, it's take me to the sales, and inventory, it's take me to the inventory, and I click on dashboard, it comes back, and the return, so all the return, sales return details you can see over here. Then, and finally you click on reorder, you can just see the reorder list here. See, currently you can see here it's activate, some active. So what we need to do to refresh your reorder list, this is basically a filter. How can you refresh it? You have to use here reapply options, or Control Alt L, or reapply. So you will be getting the current status. So this is the current status of your reorder list. So we will see here how can we create this one. So I'm just going to create one more sheet. Insert, and I give here dashboard. So because I'm just trying to explain how I created this dashboard. So the same thing we are going to create it here. So let me see here what I need to do it. First I select here. So this is the same way I have to create it. So for this one, I select here equal to, then I go to the inventory, then I'll be selecting this item ID, enter. Then you select and you drag. You can see the item descriptions also here. Then you can select this and drag. So you will be able to see all the items, ID. So yeah, up to here only. Then here the descriptions also you need to do this way. So you can see all the descriptions. Then I select here equal to, I type over here available stock. Available stock. Select, click wrap text. So you can see this top and bottom. Then you select all these things, and you can select the color. You can choose any color basically. So I'm just going to use this color supposed to be, and make it font color white, bold, and you can make it horizontally and vertically center. Yeah, that's it. And the colors you want, which color is more better, you can choose that color. Let's say I select here the green color, it's fine. Then after this I select here equal to, go to the inventory, then I select here stock in hand, press enter, that value is coming, and just double click. After this you create a table, select all these things, and you can see here the table here. Click over there and you can see all borders. The complete table is created. After this you select this one, that means the value in your available stock. Then you go to the home. There you can see conditional formatting. and you have to select the data bars, and you can select the data bar from here. So you can see here the data inside the chart is created. Okay, so this is the first thing we have created. Then come to this dashboard. I have to create this chart. So you can select any chart, but basically I have selected over. Yeah, we'll see that how can we do this one. So let's say I'll just go to the dashboard and I select the item descriptions and this one. I mean these two I select. Then I can go to the insert and we can see here the chart, and let me select. You can see the different types of charts over here. Let's say I select this chart or this chart, or you do more statistics charts. You can see here the different types of charts: combo chart, funnel. Yeah, I select this funnel chart. This is the one I selected over there. You can choose anything, or you can select this one. So I select here the funnel chart. Then I click here OK. So the funnel chart is created. Then after this, you can choose this. Okay. Then you select and place it here, which is nearby this one, and just drag and make it a little bit bigger. So the chart is created. Then I have to give here the chart. I'm just going to give here available stock by graph. This is the name I'm going to do it. So select the dashboard one. Then you click here. Available stock we can give. Stock. So basically I have selected the format from here. I could have select any format from here. You can just check. You can select any format, or you can just go to the format and you can select here shape fill. Here you can add the colors, and you can add the pictures, you can add the gradients, anything you can do it from there. So currently I have selected from here. So this is created. Next, what we need to do, we have to create this one. I mean the stock summary by category. This is what I need to select it. To select this, first what I'll do, I'll just go to the reference. I created here one separate sheets, or I'll be creating here new sheets, and I give here reference to, and here I have to create the pivot table. So I select here inventory, then I select all up to the stock in hand. Let's say I select everything, or completely you can select it. Currently I need up to stock in hand, so I select only up to that. Then go to insert, then you can select the pivot table, existing worksheets, reference. Then I click, location, I click on reference to, then I select the location, then click OK. So you can see here the pivot table, and this is the pivot field. So from this, I'll be just selecting the supplier. So you can see all this, not suppliers, we need by category. So I select here category. Then I can select here stock in hand that I placed here. Then I can select under the category. I'm selecting here the item descriptions. Item description under the category. So how it is coming now? You can see here the fixing element. Then inside the fixing element, all the which is coming under the category called fixing element, you are seeing it. Now what I do, I select this one. Then you go to the design. Here you have an option report layout. Just click on report layout and give here show in tabular form. Once you use this tabular form, what is happening? Before how it was coming, the fixing element, and all these things was coming under that. But instead of that, now what is coming? Fixing element, and next column the item description and the stock items, etc. it is coming. So anyway, this is I created. Now I'll go back to my dashboard. Then here I need to create the same thing. You can see here stock summary by category, that I can just simply type it, and all these elements, and I have to get the value. So we'll see. We'll go back here and okay, I'll click on this reference. I just select it's optional, you can do this way. So anyway, I'll just go back to the why we are doing this, because later on if I add more data into my inventory, maybe more category I'll be adding, more item I'll be adding, so my inventory list will be updating. So the same time your pivot table also has to get updated. To update the pivot table, you have to click on the pivot table and you need to go to the analyze. There you can see an options called refresh. You have to choose this one, refresh, or you can just click Alt F5. Okay, anyway, currently I come back here, then I'm just selecting here. So here what I want, I give here equal to, just click here equal to, then I'll be going to the reference and I click here fixing elements, then press enter. So I can see here this one. Then when I'm dragging the next one, paint material, next one plate material, then I drag here tools, then I drag here grand total. Grand total I don't want, up to here I need. Then just double click. See, all this are coming over here. Then later on I need to get the info. So I do here equal to, the total quantity. So I give here equal to, go to the reference to, then I click here and I press enter. So once I do enter and I drag, what is happening here? Everything I'm getting 1650, because see here, if I do equal to and I click on that, what I'm getting over there, I'm just getting a formula called get pivot table data. So actually I don't want this. Here get pivot table data, when you activate the same value, this formula is activate, the same value you'll get it. So what I need to do, I'll remove this. Let me see here equal to, and we go to the reference and you can see this is coming in C3. So I just type here C3, when C column, third cell C3, and press enter. Now you can select and you drag. Correct? So it is coming now. Then next what we need to do, I just wanted to make an heading. So that's fine. Let's say you go back and you can just take this one. Maybe you drag one. Then you can take it. You can add the borders. All borders I added. Then stock summary by category. So that I need to type it. Stock summary by category. So I select, make it middle align. So it comes middle align. I select here and select the color and font color. And you can just simply select a little bit. Okay, so we have done that. Then after this you select this, you go to insert and you can select over here the chart, more statistics charts. From there, here the chart, more statistical chart. From there you can choose anything. Currently, let's say I'm selecting over here, just check. I select the same thing, the funnel type, then I click OK. Then I click here. Then this one. I need to type here stock by category. Then fine. So that also we have done. Next we will see that this is what we got it, and that is the same thing you got it here. Then you can just change the font color. That's all you can do it. You can make it bold and you can make it a little bit bigger. And here also you select this and make it bold. All these things you can add. So when I change 10, in some way we are not able to see it. That's what. So anyway, we have done this. Then next you need to go to the dashboard and I have to find here fast moving item. How can I find the fast moving item? For this, I'll go to the reference 2 and I select here the inventory. Then I select A, B, press the control. Then you select here stock out. Stock out is basically sales. Then you do copy and come back to your reference. Then you click here and do paste. See here the same thing is coming over here. Then I'm just going to add one more thing here called rank. Okay, I add rank. Then I just wanted to find the rank. Rank means what? The position. That means this number is in first position or second position. That means first largest or second largest or third largest or fourth largest. We need to find it. So I do the formula equal to rank, open the bracket, and I select here the 600, comma. Then I select from here to here. Completely you select, press F4, make it absolute value, close the bracket and press enter. So it is coming here 1. Then if I drag, you can see here 1 is this all. Actually I don't have the value here, but anyway 1 is here, 2 is here and 3 is here, etc. It is coming. Now I select everything, okay, and I'll be going to the sort and filter, and I do here custom sort. You click on custom sort and sort by rank. Make sure my data has header is turned on. Sort by rank, smallest to biggest. So you can see the first. See this currently I have added only. I sold the only 3 items. I sold only 3 items. But if you add more items you sold, like maybe the one will be changed from. Currently this flat bar is 1. Maybe it will be become bold, aligned, anything. Whenever it's changed, always that position has to be maintained. That means the highest value should be always first. Then the second highest will be 2. Then third highest should be 3, like this. And in my main dashboard, I just wanted to show the first 3 and 3 fast moving items. So I select this. Then you can just go to the filter. So you can see we have done the filter. Then click on this rank and I give here number filter. Less than or equal to 3. That means I just wanted to see only 3 or less than that. So this is the way I have prepared over there. Then go back to your dashboard, and here I'm just going to select I need to find out the fast moving item. So I select here how we do See, fast moving item, ID, and all these things you can see. So let's say I come back dashboard and I do here ID and item or item, yeah, item description or item, whatever. Then select it, make it center. Then here you have to use equal to, go to the reference and you select this and press enter. Then I select 1, 2, 3. I'll get 430154140. The same thing you are getting it. Then the same way you can take this and this, or what you can do, you can just use the formula VLOOKUP. Any of this you can use it. But currently I'm just selecting equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket, this is the lookup value, comma, you go here, this is our table. So I select this one, this is my lookup table, and I press F4, comma, item descriptions, column index number is 2, comma, true or false, false. And I close the bracket and press enter. So you can see that, and you just try. So whenever that values change over there in the filter, this value also will be changed. So I select and I make table. So this is my 3 fast moving items. Okay, so that also we have done. Then next what I need to do, so almost everything I have done. Then here I need to search by ID. In the search by ID, okay, we'll go back to this dashboard, and I'm going to add here, just go up to here. If you want, you can just make it a little bit smaller, just to set it in one sheets. Just make it smaller. Yeah. So I select from here to here. You can see that what I have given over there. I given stock summary and fast moving items. Okay. So go back to the dashboard and I select up to here, margin center, vertically and horizontally center. That means align middle. And I'm just going to select inventory stock summary or inventory whatever, inventory management or inventory, any name you can give, inventory management system you can give, or you give here same like what I done, stock summary. I do stock summary, then bold, select bold, make it bigger, and I have to choose the color from here. Let's say I select this color. No, black is okay. I create here stock summary. Then this is the one, margin center. Click vertical center, align middle. Then I do here fast moving item. Fast moving items. Select, click, bold, and you can just make it bigger. That's it. Now I select this here up to here, merge and center, and I type here search by ID. Search by ID. Now make it center, then bold. Then you can choose the color, search by ID. And here what I want to do, I need to get margin center. Okay. So I'll be selecting over here the ID we need to select from here, and all the detail has to come here. So I'm selecting here data. There you can select data validations. From the data validations you select list. Then you click your source. Then I'm selecting from here to here and press enter. Then click OK. So you can see here, you can choose any of this one from here. You choose the ID. Then let's say I'll go to the inventory and I choose this. Control C and go to the dashboard and I click here enter. It comes over here up to here. Then I give here margin center. We'll see that how it is. Anyway, so once I select this, I need to get all the details of this one. I mean, you can see here stock locations. I do wrap text. Okay. Stock locations, and you select this and give the color. And I do insert one more column, one more row we added. We select this and you can give here no fill. Okay, so there is a separation. Then when I select this, I need to get this item descriptions, category, everything. So basically I'll use here the command VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket, this is the lookup value, comma, you go to the inventory and you select this all. I have selected up to here. Then I press F4, make it constant, comma, 2 is the descriptions, I mean column index number for the description is 2, comma, false, exact match, close the bracket and press enter. So you got this. So if you select something else, you are getting this. Yeah, that's fine. 3640 is hexnet announce. So it's coming, but next I need to get category. So I have to repeat this formula. I cannot just drag this one. The main reason, okay, I'll do here. I need to, okay, when I select the inventory, I made it absolute, because when I drag here also, that is the same thing. Here all it is coming the same. But A31, that is my lookup value. Lookup value also absolute value. That means the same lookup value is for this one, this, all this column, the same lookup value. So what I'm going to do, I select the lookup value and I press F4, means A31, and I do F4. So we done this. Then when you drag, see here also you are getting the same thing. The reason, because column index number is 2. Next the column index number should change into 3. Correct, right? The column index number should change to 3. It's not changing into 3. That is the reason we are getting that same value over there. I mean, the same item description is coming here. So how can I, so that is fine. When I drag, then after that 2 I give 3, then the next one here 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. I can do it. But instead of that, I can use the match command. For what the match will do, match is finding the position. That means, for example, see here, I just wanted to say category is in the 3rd position in this list, correct? And stock item is in the 5th position in this list. For this purpose, we are using the match command. So I'll be removing this 2 and I'm using the command match here. Match, open the bracket. it is asking you lookup value, what I need to look for. I just wanted to look this item descriptions, comma, where I need to look like item description. I need to look the item description in this table, I mean in this row. I select the row and make sure it is F4, absolute value, comma, less than exact, greater. I need exact. I choose exact, then click close the bracket. So here, then press enter. So you can see here automatically it will take here 2. Then when I'm clicking and dragging, I'll be getting everything same. See, fixing element, the supplier name, the shell name, all this information is coming now. Or you can just make it a little bit smaller. Select here and I just select it like this. See here now. Then again I select other one, 4277. So you will be getting the details, complete details. That means it will be taken from the inventory. So match basically to find out the positions. You can see that I'll just repeat the match command here, equal to match of item ID, comma, in this list. Then I press here F4, then close the bracket, enter, comma, 0, exact we need to select it. See here, this is one. Item ID is in the first position. When I drag here 2, when I drag here 3, so this is the same thing happen. The column index numbers keep on changing. So when you do one time the formula and you click and drag, you will be getting the remaining all. So that's it. Then, so that is the way we have done it. Then you can just change the color if you want. Let's say I select this color. Okay. Now what we need to do, we do merge and center. And colors and all, you can choose what you want exactly. Then everything is set now. Then what we need to do, we have to give the link into the, I'll just click here, insert, maybe I'll add one more. And I'm just going to create here, insert, you can use the shape. Then I select any shape you can choose. Currently I'm selecting the shape, this one. Then you can just go to the shape effect and I'll just right click and give edit text and I type here purchase. Okay, then you select, go home, make it center, middle align, bold, and you need to make it bigger. Then you can just select and place, I place here, and you can go to the format, then from here shape effect, you can add this effect so it will be looks like button, correct? Then I select this, Control C, Control V. Then the next one I need to get sale, so I change here sale. Okay, then again paste. Next what we need, we have purchase, we have sale, then inventory. So I just type here inventory, then paste. Next we will see inventory, then return you want, you can select the return like this. So currently I'm keeping only the purchase, sales, inventory and purchase, not purchase, inventory and purchase, sales, inventory and returns we need, yes, only this one. I kept all these things here. Then I do one more, paste. Then I click here dashboard. Okay. If you want, you can just slightly make it dashboard. It's fine. Or some other shapes you can create it. Or maybe I don't want this one. We'll create the different one. Okay, I'll remove this thing. Now I just wanted to give the link. So what I'm going to do, select the purchase, click on this purchase, then you can go to insert and you can see here the link. When you select the link, you will be getting here insert hyperlink. From here you have to select place in this document. Then you can see here the purchase, then click OK. Then I click on this, again link from insert, sales, OK. Then I click on inventory, then I click here link and I choose inventory, then click OK. Then I select return, link, make sure place in this document, returned, then click OK. We're done. So now you can see the link. When I click on purchase, it will take you into the purchase. And if I click, the next one, now when you click dashboard, actually this dashboard is different. I have given for the, I have given the link to this dashboard. So you can create something over here like insert. I select the shape. And from the shape, maybe this arrow I'm selecting. This back arrow I select. Then I have to select here. And edit text. I do here dashboard. Then select home, make it center, middle. Then go to the format, shape effect, the different effect I given, then select, insert, link, then I'll be selecting dashboard 1, then click OK. So once I click on this one, it will take me to the dashboard 1. So I click on purchase, then I right click, I do here home, copy, then I click on this one and go to the sales. Now it is coming to the sales and I do paste. Then I will be placing here where I need. Now again I click, it goes back, inventory. I do here paste. So you can just keep it here. Now again I click on the dashboard, it's take me here. Then I go to the returns and I do paste. Then you can place it here. Then when I'm clicking on this, it comes back here. See here, now my dashboard is connected with my data sheets. Then after this, you click on this one. You select everything. For example, you can see here, basically I have the Excel, we have so many columns in your right side, but we know that we have, it's stopping from here. We don't have any other data to type here. So I just click on this and I press the Control Shift, then arrow key. Which arrow? Right arrow. We have 3 arrows: right, left, top and bottom. So press the Control Shift and right arrow and select all these things, and you can give here right click and you can do delete. See here, even though you delete, again everything will be coming. So I'm not deleting it. Instead of that, I'll do hide. See here, so you can see only your dashboard is coming here, then the remaining all the cells I hide, so that won't be visible here. Understood? So this is the way. See, basically we are learning the method how to create it. Once you learn, you could have create more beautiful presentations, the dashboards according to your idea. This is basically, first understand the concept how we create it, then we can create our own dashboards with our own data, with our own idea. So basically training, in our training we make our students to become professional in Excel, not only in dashboard creations, the complete Excel. So this is one of our exercise file, how we practice and how we train in our class. So anyway, you can see that everything I created. Now that's it. Then you can just go to the inventory. Then you see here view code. You see here the view code. You click this view code and you have an options over there. Let me see here. Enable selections, enable visible. I give here 0 sheet hidden. So once I do, what is happening? You can see that inventory sheet you are not seeing here. From your data board, when you click on inventory, see here you are not seeing that inventory over here because I hide the inventory. So anyway, if you want to hide it, you can hide it from here. So this is the procedure. You just right click and you just go to the view code and you can select it and you can just select. So currently you see here the sheet 3 inventory, it's hidden. So I just click over here, hidden. We have hidden, X sheet, very hidden also you can give it. Anyways, once you do that, that will be hidden from here. Once it is hidden, the problem is when you click on this one, see it goes to the purchase now, and I click, it comes back. But when I click on the inventory, it won't go to the inventory because that sheet is hidden over here. So just understand that this is the way you can hide it. So certain data you don't want it to touch, you don't want to touch that, or you don't want to edit that. Those type of sheets you can make it hidden. Anyway, I'm going to unhide it here. Just right click, I give here view code and I select this inventory, then I click here, it is visible because currently I just wanted to visible everything. Then only when I click on this inventory, it will goes to that inventory. Then come back and you select the purchase, it goes here. Then again you click on the dashboard, it comes back. So like this, different types of dashboard you can create it, the sales dashboard, the inventory dashboard, and like HR related dashboard. So many dashboards. Dashboard is one of the important features in Excel. Basically we call it as a dashboard, but creating this dashboard, we are using this pivot table, VLOOKUP, and HLOOKUP, and what filters, and so many other formulas. So basically there is nothing called dashboard. The dashboard we are creating. Dashboard is a graphical representations or visual representations of your data.